going on, everyone? It's a Friday afternoon, maybe, I think. Not Friday afternoon yet. It's Friday at 11:15 because Richie's hungry.
I'm real hungry.
He's working on a cage kit right now, getting it knocked out. Cage kits are still selling pretty good, so he's staying busy. But yeah, we'll just do a Friday walk around like we normally do, try to get back on these because I know you guys like seeing different stuff that we're doing. So I guess we'll just lead it off with John's car. So John's car actually has a ton different. It's got tunnel is made, shifter mounted, shoot handles done. I don't think anything else in the back. Mark also got the front tunnel connected back to the firewall, which kind of strengthens this firewall, gives it these center bars a place to land. Because it's not a true double frame rail car, you know, these have to go, they have to stop somewhere. Let's see, radiators mounted, turbos mounted. Mark's putting on his hat for the YouTubes.
My hair's crazy.
He's working on the tin on this side, so kind of trying something different. Doing this lower bar makes the tin a little easier and gives the seat somewhere to mount. It's kind of, that's the tough part with this, is mounting the seat. So giving it somewhere to land while strengthening it.
Yeah. Trying to avoid having to roll the tin around the seat and stuff, because
yeah,
it's a pain in the butt and it doesn't look the best.
Yeah, it does. It sucks. I know the shop car is not the greatest. But most of the scallop strips are done. So it's getting kind of close on this one. I think we have a list over here. So this is our short list of stuff that John's car still needs. So
That we can think of right now.
Yeah, that we can think of. There's still a bunch more stuff to do, but it's getting there. Trying to get it done so he can maybe race next year. That's what we're hoping for. We're hoping for a big MRC showing of race cars.
That would be nice.
Yeah. Let's go see what Gavin's working on. So Gavin's working on the next welded chassis. Got the jig car up here. We actually just had a welded chassis leave this morning from a guy in South Carolina. He drove overnight? Not overnight. He stayed up here, drove yesterday, stayed here, and then drove the rest of it this morning. And he's going to drive back this afternoon. So pretty cool. I'll walk over there in a second. We have another welded chassis that we finished up last week. The truck's been a little slower just because I haven't had a ton of time to work on it. I got this the driver's seat mounted. I have to do the passenger seat, and then we're gonna paint it and then mount all the dash, all the electronics. So this is a little different take on what we were doing before. We decided to do one in the back, one cup in the back, and then do kind of, if you guys can see it, tabs right there. So a little bit different design. We just didn't want to stick, you know, this as a 10-inch piece, just to give it a little bit more support, make it a little safer. So these trucks are pretty tall on the dash. I think the dash, we put these plates in so it covers up the slot in the dash, but that's where the dash is. So when you sit in the truck, it's pretty noticeable seat mount. You're pretty low in the car, or in the truck. So hopefully wrapping that up by the end of next week. Taking a little longer than I thought, but usually everything does. So Gavin's getting this one done. I think you got A-pillars pretty quick.
Yeah, I can do A-pillars. I get A-pillars done like an hour now. Expert A-pillar person.
Yep.
And then take 4 hours to do a windshield wiper.
Which makes no sense.
I like them.
So Gavin's kind of our welded chassis Pro?
Expert.
Welded expert? Welded chassis expert?
No expert.
I think it's the mullet
It's the mullet.
that did it.
Yes, it is.
It is the mullet.
Mullet.
Richie,
Power of the mullet.
Richie's going for a mullet.
I don't have the hair.
I only got it because he bet me and said I wouldn't get it.
But
so-
see, this is the difference. This is like having MRC to your cage versus having your brother, uncle's, cousin's nephew with a MIG welder to
Mine
your
just looks
cage.
like I was in the middle of a haircut and the clippers died.
You just stopped.
And I just saw something.
Whatever.
That's good enough for
Good
now.
enough for me.
Yep, top part cut.
Here's the the welded chassis that is going out. I think he was talking about coming up today. But this is a SN95 with back half, shock mounts, and a roll bar, wishbone, 4-link brackets, and a 4-link housing. So pretty neat, pretty cool to do entire package. We're probably gonna make these packages ready to go. A lot of people, they want different stuff, but this is kind of like a standard. Like you get this kind of package. Makes it a little easier to order since people kind of know what they want. But we usually have to talk it through. But at least this would be like, you can have this and be pretty much ready to race. So if you guys order from us now, don't mind the mess, but Skittles, so even more incentive to order parts or any kind of thing. With normal parts, you get 1 Skittles. Maybe you can get 2 packages of Skittles for the welded chassis. Hey, I'm just saying, it's an incentive. But it's a little madness over here. Got 2 cage kits. Actually, this one is going to be going up to Ryan Hoffman and Jolt. Taking the shop car Monday to go get wired by him. So we're kind of wrapping up shop car, and I'll kind of go over that today and tomorrow and Sunday. But I think that's about it for today's walk around. A lot going on, but not too terribly much. Everyone's still liking all the new tools.
I love them.
What's the review on the Mittler Brothers?
They need to use Loctite when they
Yes,
send them out.
Loctite is
Things
key.
loosen up within the first week, but it makes nice notches.
Yeah, you gotta do little mods.
Little mods.
Little mods.
Little Loctite here, little Loctite
Yeah,
there.
that's okay.
It's fine. It worked good though. It's nice.
It
You don't
does.
have the stupid hole saw
Yeah.
chunking teeth out, or you get bad hole saw bits where they just split in half.
Yeah. We're gonna see how long it takes before we sell that one.
I'll buy it.
Go kart.
Richie's real excited about this go-kart.
It's for you.
It's for me?
It's for you and
It's
your
for
kid.
cart. It's for cart.
Oh.
It's a gift for me to you.
Okay.
Yeah, I didn't buy it.
We're
but I
gonna build
can
more.
That's why you're not asking any money for it.
Yeah, exactly. I didn't buy it.
Because we'll build more, and then we'll do like a little Mario Kart around you for acres.
Mario Kart.
Yeah. Banana peels.
With all this time we have,
Exactly.
you know.
We're only a year and a half backed up.
Woo, about 11:30.
Is it?
Give it 10 minutes.
All right. Well, you heard the man. It's almost lunch. We're gonna go get some Right City Diner.
Got that diner part.
So we'll see you guys next time. Probably this weekend. I'm working on the shop car. But you guys should definitely comment, subscribe, like,
Like, subscribe, comment, more.
all the good stuff.